Hello everyone. So I vividly remember being a kid going to the movies. It cost $4.25, okay? Now I just went to the movies last weekend. It was $16.75. Like, how? How? But you know where prices have never increased? Ever? The dollar store. And that, my friends, is something to celebrate. So we're going to be celebrating that today. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my all-time favorite cleaning tips and hacks using items that can all be found for $1 or less. Gotta love the budget life. If you are new here to my channel and you enjoy this video, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I do home and lifestyle related videos like the one you're seeing today. And with all of that said, let's jump into it. We're gonna start with probably my favorite thing to get from the dollar store for cleaning, and that are brushes. Brushes. All the brushes. I buy these in bulk. It is the best price on brushes that I have found anywhere. I use these to clean the bottom of my sink and dishes. They are more sanitary than using sponges. We have this big daddy that I like to use to clean my tub and grout. It really gets in there. And a special new addition that just popped up at my local dollar store. We have this brush with the reservoir in here to put your soap. Well over a year ago, we switched from using sponges to brushes in our house, and that's because these are more bacteria resistant, they're more sanitary, they will last you longer, and I do run these in the dishwasher every load just to keep them extra clean. Reusable rubber gloves. This is the best price I could find them for $1, and I like to use these not only while doing the dishes and things like that, but a little trick with these is you could use these to pick up pet hair that's hanging out on your couch, on your bed, wherever. I have a black dog, so we have lots of pretty black fur all over the house. So I will just put these on and then run my hands over the couch, the bed, the rug, and it picks up the pet hair really quick and easy. Up next are microfiber cleaning cloths. You can get 2 for $1 at the dollar store, or I actually get mine on Amazon in bulk. I'll get 20 of them for $9.99. And I found these to be slightly better quality and more durable than the Dollar Tree ones. These are amazing for cleaning any and everything. One of my favorite ways to use microfiber cloths is instead of buying the reusable Swiffer pads on my wet jet, which can get expensive, instead just put this on the bottom of your Swiffer and use this to mop your floors. It works very well. They're washable, reusable. This next one is a contender as my favorite cleaning product of all time, and that would be the Magic Eraser Sponges. You can find dupes for these at the Dollar Tree, or you can find them on Amazon for a little bit less. I don't even know where to start talking about all the different ways you could use these around your home. In fact, I've done an entire dedicated video, I believe over 30 ways you can use Magic Eraser Sponges in your home. The most common way that I use them around my house, because I do have a toddler who likes to get creative on various surfaces in the home, is to use these to clean walls and doors. Next is a squeegee. Squeegee, that's a fun word, isn't it? Who came up with the name squeegee? That's what I want to know. I recommend keeping one of these in your shower, and at the end of your shower, just take 1 minute, squeegee down the glass, and it will save you so much time and effort in cleaning it later on. Toothbrushes. Here is a 2-pack I found for $1, and you can use these for cleaning purposes around your home. A couple different ways I like to use these. One, to clean my diamond ring. I use a little Dawn dish soap with warm water, and I just take my little toothbrush, clean my ring, get it looking all nice and sparkly. I use these to clean little cracks and crevices in my car, and I am doing a dedicated car cleaning video coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I use a toothbrush to clean my grout. What I like to do here is get some baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, just make a little paste, and then just scrub it down my grout with that mixture, and it will brighten and clean the grout. Speaking of baking soda, you can pick this up from the dollar store. So what baking soda does really well is absorb odors naturally. So I keep one of these in the fridge. You just pop this part of it open, keep it in the fridge. Next thing, you can use olive oil found at the dollar store for cleaning purposes, and I like to use this to buff out and polish my stainless steel appliances. So the refrigerator, dishwasher, just take a microfiber cloth, put a little bit of olive oil, it will make it look beautiful and sparkly. vinegar at the dollar store. This is cleaning vinegar. You actually can find this for less if you buy it in a larger quantity at like a Walmart. You can make the world's easiest DIY all-purpose cleaner that works on pretty much everything except for stone, using a 1/4 cup of vinegar and 3/4 cup of distilled water in a glass spray bottle. And if you don't love the vinegar smell, just add your favorite essential oils in there. I like to put lemon and lavender. Put about 20 drops in your cleaning solution and it will mask the smell, and it works amazing. Next is this drain cleaner. Kind of looks like a long spiky snake. You stick this way down into your drain, spin it around and pull it out, and it is absolutely disgusting but also satisfying at the same time. It will pull out any hair and debris that's trapped in your drain and blocking it. So these are $1 at the Dollar Tree. If you look for them anywhere else, they cost almost twice the price. And last, I get these bins that I use as cleaning caddies, because something that I like to do and I recommend is keeping cleaning supplies in various rooms around your house. So that way it just makes your life a lot easier. Your cleaning products are where you need to use them. So I'll keep one of these in the bathroom with my DIY all-purpose cleaner, some microfiber cloths, extra brushes, a magic eraser sponge, and then I am set to clean any room in the house whenever I need to. Okay, so that is going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed my $1 or less cleaning tips. Also, I am back to posting my videos on Sunday. Please let me know in the comments, put your vote below. Do you prefer me uploading on Sunday afternoons or Tuesdays? Please let me know your feedback. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye. Who came up with the name squeegee? That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know.
Hello, my name is Alexander Squeegee the Eighth, the great-great-great-great-grandson of Alexander Squeegee, inventor of the squeegee. Back in the 1600s, the squeegee was used as a battle weapon with a blade attached to it. But then, as serendipity would have it, he used the blade one foggy day to scrape some dew off of a window. Hence was born the squeegee, and the rest, so they say,